Welcome to hauls. Today, I'm going to show you a haul video that I just completed in the last few recent days. All this stuff is from thrift stores. So let's jump right in. Over here to my left, got this stuff at Goodwill. All right, look at this beautiful, beautiful picture. Oh, just love this. Oh, look at that beautiful, like a watercolor lemon motif on the front. This, you guys, is made in Italy. And this would retail at somewhere between $65 to $70. I know because I've seen them in stores and I would never buy them because they were so pricey. So got this for $3.99. Okay, and then look at this adorable little thing. I thought that was so cute and cheerful. And I think I got this for $1.90. Yeah, $1.99 at Goodwill. And look at this, you guys. Look at these. Look at these. Fondue forks! Ha ha! Look at that! White ones. And you know I didn't have any white ones. So isn't that cool? Because you know I like the fondue. And you know that because you've seen that video. Right. Alright. Now, look at this cute little thing. You know I love my tea. Alright. Found this at a different thrift store. But this is a Bath & Body Works. I think this was originally designed to go with like a wax melter or a candle, something like that. And it did not have its pairing with it. But I thought, ooh, let's upcycle. So that became a little warmer for my teapot. Okay, now this stuff over here came from a favorite thrift store of mine, local to North Carolina in the Madison-Maiden area. Okay, got to show you some of this cool stuff from Castaway Thrift. Love their shop. Oh my goodness sakes, you guys. And before I get into all this, I got to tell you this really cool thing. You know how a lot of times you go in thrift stores and it's just junky. You know, you have to sift through stuff, you have to go around, and you're almost tripping over things in some of these places. In Castaways, they take time to organize it almost like a little boutique store. So all of the sections are appropriate to what's in them. They have a clearance area, which I found some of these beautiful things in. All right. So anyway, let's get back into it. This right here, look at this beautiful, very well made maple leaf cookie cutter. 50 cents. All right. Also, you guys, now, do you remember you've seen my baked apple video and I showed you those apple bakers that I had found? Well, guess what? I found two more. Could not hardly believe it. And there they were on the shelf. And I think I got these for, what did I get these for? $2, less than $2. So, remember I told you that those things are expensive if you buy them online, but I was able to find two more in that store. This, so cute, just because I liked it so much. And it was on the clearance rack. Ah, 50 cents. Okay, and these beautiful fabrics. All right, also, look at this. Look at this cute little vest. You know I'm not that dressy uppy of a person, okay? I love my sportswear. So, this cute little vest, reversible, right? Love it. And look at this beautiful sweater I got. Isn't that so pretty? So fun. $1.95. No, I'm kidding. It was half off. Okay. And guys, Castaway's Thrift in the Madison-Maiden area, they're local to us here in North Carolina. And I asked them if it was okay if I promoted their shop because I just love how they do their shop so much. Plus, it goes to a wonderful charity. So if you're in the area, check them out. They'll love to see ya. Okay? Also, this last thing, I know you've been eyeballing this over here. Okay, so if you remember with me, back in the early 90s, the Lennox Porcelain China Company came out with spice racks. And as I remember, they had two different designs. One was this cute little village set. It was like little houses. Okay, the other one was this one. All right, now, these retailed, they were mail order only, and they retailed for somewhere between $25 to $28 or $29 a jar. plus shipping and handling. So I think it rounded out to about 30 bucks a jar, something like that. So for this whole entire set, I believe the spice rack was a gift that came with it, for somewhere around $700 to $720. We got the spice rack for $90. It had never been used. Could not hardly believe it. And that came from the Freedom Thrift Store in Greensboro, North Carolina, in that area. And they also promote wonderful charitable organizations and give to those from their profits. So check them out, guys. Thanks for being with us, guys. Give us a like and a comment. Hit that notify bell so you can see all the wonderful videos that we're uploading for you guys every week. And we'll see you next time on Haul.